स्वयं सरस्वती जी बसती हैं हमारी आवाज में. Is it too much?
मेरे ख्याल से I get about 40 on 100.
That's failing marks. I say all these crazy things and I act all stupid and then there's no love.
Yes, I'm going to cry any minute. Cooking.
Really? आप कहानियाँ बनाइए मम्मा. खाना आप छोड़ दीजिए.
Hey guys, we've planned a fun game for you called Who is the Coolest?
इसकी क्या ज़रूरत है? Everybody knows Badi Amma is the coolest. And if I may also say so about my own grandmother, she's also the hottest. First lady in the country to wear a bikini. It's true, right? I asked you. I also said I'd tell them. You seemed
It's
okay
in the
with it.
public domain.
Again now.
Yeah.
So amazing. Hot and cool.
We have some fun questions for you. Are you guys excited?
Yes, we are. But before I start this game with you, I just want you all to know that I watched Gulmohar today with Badi Amma. And it was a lovely film. And as usual, I'm very, very proud of Badi Amma. And it was very, very touching. And all of you should watch it for sure.
Thank you, granddaughter.
You're welcome, Badi Amma.
तुमने तो मेरी फिल्म देख ली, मगर तुम्हारी फिल्म गैसलाइट कब दिखा रही हो?
Badi Amma, Gaslight is releasing on the 31st of March, also on Disney Plus Hotstar. तो हम दोनों की फिल्में मार्च में रिलीज हो रही है, Disney Plus Hotstar पे रिलीज हो रही है और G से शुरू हो रही है. तो I think that's great because great also starts from G and G. Get it? G.
जी.
First question. If not acting, what other profession do you think you'll be great at?
So, well, for me, I went to Columbia, as of course you would
I know, I'm so proud of that.
And I really enjoyed studying.
And you
there.
did it in 3 years.
I did it in 3 years.
Clever girl.
So I think the accurate answer would be law. I would have liked to do law. But the emotional and more truthful answer would be I would just be really unhappy if I was not an actor.
If I hadn't started working in films, perhaps I would have gone to Shantiniketan. Maybe I would have been an artist because my family, my paternal family, comes from, there are a lot of artists there, Govindranath Tagore, Abanindranath Tagore. So perhaps that, not as great as them, but somewhere there.
Tell us if you have any secret talents that no one knows about.
Secret का पता नहीं, मगर I have some passion.
जैसे
कि cooking.
Really?
I try it on unsuspecting people and I try new recipes. मेरे ख्याल से I get about, I would say, 40 on 100, not bad.
That's failing marks.
So, okay, all right. But anyway, cooking is my passion. Big passion.
और आप खुद ही अपने आप को 40% दे रहे हैं.
And maybe,
आप बोल रहे हैं you cook well.
there's उम्मीद है. I might become a very good cook. You know, never know. Anyway, I don't want your opinion. I know that I'm going to become a very good cook.
आप कहानियाँ बनाइए बड़ी अम्मा. खाना आप छोड़ दीजिए. But सीक्रेट मैं शायरी कर लेती हूँ जैसे कि सबको पता है.
That's terrific.
और क्या कर सकती हूँ? मैं गाना गा सकती हूँ बहुत अच्छे से. That's enough.
That's enough. Your limericks are just too good.
स्वयं सरस्वती जी बसती हैं हमारी आवाज में.
We've all heard about crazy stupid love. So what is the craziest or stupidest thing you've ever done in the name of love?
I think I'm so busy at the crazy and stupid that I don't really reach the love part. I think that's the actual truth and it's really sad. Is it not, Badi Amma? Like I'm just always
change
crazy
the
and
story.
stupid. No, it's true.
No, make something else.
I can't make it up.
can't tell everybody.
They all know.
Really?
Yeah. No. It's really true. I say all these crazy things and I act all stupid and then there's no love. But you love me.
Yes, I'm going to cry any minute.
I cry all the
I
time
don't believe
about
a
it.
word you're saying.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. So that's genuinely my truth, honestly. Like, so busy being crazy and stupid that we haven't gotten to the love part. But we will.
It'll happen.
Promise?
Yeah.
You're there. otherwise.
Unfortunately, you can't get out of it. You see, you have to suffer from your heart.
I can't wait.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So that's that, guys.
Once, very long ago, much before your time, I was shooting in Panvel. For some reason, technical reason, it was pack up. And the first thought in my mind was that Tiger and Raj Singh ji were going to Danta. So my first thing was that, let me just go there and say bye to him. Okay? As fast as an ambassador could take us on those roads, so imagine, like really, really rushed. and I took my makeup off, I took my this long wig and everything, and then got there. And when I was getting off, Tiger and Raj Singh ji were also getting off. I said, "Hi, I've come to say bye to you." And then Tiger said, "Well, why don't you come with us?" So I said, "Yeah, what a good idea. Why don't I come with you?" Huh? And there was no toothbrush, toothpaste, there were no clothes, there was no makeup, nothing. And I just boarded the flight. And we went to Dhaka and had a blast. And I wore, I think, Tiger's shorts and somebody's shirt. And I mean, it was so much fun. I've never done anything like that before. I mean, then or now, or I can't even think of doing. So I think that was crazy, right?
Definitely.
What is the coolest thing you've done so far?
How much more can I say? We already know Badi Amma is cooler than me, hotter than me, better than me. Like, this is like getting a little mean, na, guys?
Bus.
Okay, Badi Amma. So, I know you like my limericks. मेरी
Love
शायरी
it.
आपको पसंद है.
Love
तो जाने से पहले आपके लिए मैंने एक शायरी लिखी है. तो नमस्ते दर्शकों, बड़ी अम्मा की नई फिल्म पर लगाए अपने लव की मोहर. Don't forget to watch Gulmohar, whether you are alone or with your shoher. Thank you. Nice, right? I love it. Okay.
Okay, it's my turn now. नमस्ते दर्शकों, प्लीज़ मेरी ग्रैंडडॉटर को कर देना माफ़. शायरी है थोड़ी कमज़ोर, पर दिल है साफ. ये है चुलबुली एंड ब्राइट. गुलमोहर के बाद देखना गैस लाइट.
तो भूलिएगा मत बड़ी अम्मा की मूवी गुलमोहर 3 मार्च को देखना.
और सारा की मूवी गैस लाइट 31 मार्च को
On Disney Plus Hotstar.